Ouai family, my name is Melody and I'm so honored and excited to be showing you guys this really pretty braided low ponytail hairstyle. This hairstyle, it is perfect for all hair types, but especially for my curly girls because I know the struggle of being bored with regular wash and go and not having any idea of what to do with our curls. I have the solution for you. I love this hairstyle for every day, or if you just want to do something fun with your hair, this is really pretty. I did 2 braided hairstyles and I styled my curls in the bottom for that beautiful bouncy look. So if you want to see how I did this, make sure to keep watching. Okay guys, to start we will need our hair to be damp or wet because it will be way easier to braid our hairs if it is damp or wet. So we have our hair looking like this. Now I'm gonna be using the Ouai leave-in conditioner, and it is very important for you to use the leave-in conditioner. That way it will be very easy for you to detangle your hair and to braid your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all over my hair. Now I'm gonna use a comb to part my hair in 2 sections. Okay, so the type of braid that we're gonna be doing today, it is going to be a cornrow style braid, which means that we're going to start braiding with little hair right here and then just continue braiding all the way to the back. The next product I'll be using is the Ouai Air Dry Foam Mousse. The reason why I'll be using this product is because I want to make sure that once my hair dries in the braid, it just has a beautiful, shiny, and just flawless look, and this product will do just that. I'll be using a few pumps of this mousse, very lightweight, which I love, and I will work this in the front of my hair, in the root, all the way down to my tips. Okay, to braid, I will start with a little section of hair just like this. I will divide this piece of hair in 3 sections, and now I'll start braiding as close to my scalp as possible. Okay, now that I finished my beautiful braid, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna secure this braid with a black scrunchie, and I'm just gonna do like a low pony right here. And now we have this beautiful low pony right here. So now we're gonna do the same thing in the other side. Okay girls, now that we have our 2 braids and we have this left over, now we're gonna style the curls. And this leave-in conditioner, it is very hydrating. I know that curly girls struggle with dry curls. Having a base that is very hydrating, it is very important for curly girls because that makes sure that our curls are nourished and they're bouncy when they dry. And if you're gonna use any styling tools, you can go ahead and use the finishing cream as well. I'm just gonna go and use this for my ponytail, and I'm also gonna use it for my baby hairs to make sure that they look really good. Okay guys, here you have it. We have beautiful braided low pony. This is perfect if you have curly hair or if you even have straight hair. I personally really love this hairstyle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box below with all of the details of all the products that I used for this tutorial. And if you guys get to recreate this hairstyle, don't forget to tag Ouai and Melody's Life so I can get a chance to repost it on my stories, and I cannot wait to see your beautiful styles. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!